My name is Jaden. I'm 7 years old. My name is Chelsea. I'm 4 years old. And we have the same dress on and the same tank top on. We will do regular poses now.
Okay, go.
Come on.
Walk like a catwalk.
Chelsea. Chelsea, come on.
Joseph, come here.
John, come here. There. Stand up right there.
Joseph. Hello.
Maybe you're done now. Yung dalawa naman. Joseph.
Okay, now is Charles
Walk away.
Anthony Garcia and Joseph Velasco's turn.
Yung ano, yung ano ni Charles, yung ayos.
Clothes are from H&M.
You acting like you're playing drums.
Come on.
Hey, now, Joseph, Charles.
Come on. Say hi.
Are you from the?
Say hi. Hello. Say hi.
Stop!
Charles is not that.
Charles.
Era Milo. Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Okay, go.
Hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah, 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 oh, hallelujah, 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 oh.
Jade.
Okay, it's now our turn.
You guys are big soup.
Hello, my name is Arlen. Hello, I'm John. And we are the Sweeties! Yeah. What are we gonna do? I don't know. Are we gonna strip right here? Oh, okay.
Let's go sit down and show them the couch.
And the legs. There you go. Say hi to everybody. Hello.
Take ang bata.
Hello. Somebody's crying in the morning.
Uh-huh.
Okay, come on everybody.
Oh, Jade, tara na, tawag ka na.
Come on, everybody now.
Huwag ka maingay, oh. Naka-tape yun, oh.
Chelsea, go with your mommy. Jade, go with your mommy.
Hindi nakasali si Jade.
No, kasama si Jade. Come on.
Come on, hurry up.
Hurry up, Jade. Come on. Come on. You have to look best. Yeah, don't cry. You have to look best. You have to look at your best. Your best.
Say hi. No crying. They're looking at you. They don't look at you. You're not.
Say cheese.
Say cheese. Hello. I can try saying cheese. Say cheese. 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 Make it cream.
Mama, best. Pagka ka rin daw.
Saan ako? Pilit na. Dyan. Come on, Joseph, come here.
Kita ba?
Charles,
Charles, come here.
Oops. Wait.
Dali, ayaw matutulog na ako. Charles, come here. Joseph, are you gonna go sleep over later? Okay. Bye.
Hi.
Hello.
Joby. I'm
getting
bored.
You play drums.
Bye.
Okay.
I'm gonna go now.
Bye.